How to buy Notcoin on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Bybit account. After that, you would be able to find the option of trade at the top. Simply open it up, make sure that you are opening up the spot trading. And after that, it will load up, and by default it is on the BTC and USDT pair, so we need to change this particular pair. For this, just hover around your cursor on this particular three lines at the left hand side corner. Then in the search bar, search for NOT, and here you can see the pair of NOT USDT. Simply open up this one, and at the bottom you would also be able to see the NOT USDT, but it is the perpetual one. We need to open up the spot one, so simply open up the spot NOT USDT pair, and this is where we are at currently. You can check out the order books and the charts and the price for Notcoin with USDT right now. You can either purchase it on the limit order, and you can also go with the market price. Suppose you want to purchase at a lower price which is currently in the market, then you can set your price over here. Make sure that you select the option of limit over here first of all. After that, enter the quantity that you want to purchase for the Notcoin, or you can also type the amount of USDT that you want to utilize in order to purchase the Notcoin. And in case if you want to purchase it on the market price, then go with the market section over here. Then enter the amount of USDT that you want to utilize and click on buy Not. And this way you would be able to purchase Notcoin on Bybit, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.